morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, March 9th, 2023.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 71 degrees and a low of 57 degrees. Very misty.
Today's lunch options are hamburgers, cheeseburgers, or meatball sub.
Meatball sub. Bet you didn't know. The Beatles teamed up with inventor John C. Cost to create their own brand of headphones. They were known as the Beatlephones.
Oh my God. Such a good name.
Today in history, in 2006, NASA announces the possibility of water existing on Saturn's moon.
Wow.
Don't drink that.
So cute I can't. Bounty is a traveling cat who loves to discover new places. Snuggled up in a special backpack slung over owner. He has enjoyed cycling tours of Italy, mountaineering, and camping, all the while seeing sights that would make the front page of National Geographic. At the start, Bounty was a little annoyed, but after the first few days, he started to enjoy himself. While I pedaled, he slept in the carrier, she said.
Now here's Ian for Weird But True.
I know him.
Some hummingbirds can weigh less than a penny. Wait, what?
But a penny doesn't weigh anything.
Yeah.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Malia, what are cats' favorite color?
I don't know what.
Purple.
Tell me your cat's favorite color.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is a key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Everett.
And I'm Malia. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time. Fly high, Falcons. Bump it up.